animation test, it became very clear to us that in order to make it feel like a comic book, there was something snappy about the comic book. The poses were really important. So we had to approach animation a different way.
Animating twos is more of a traditional technique. It's a term from the hand-drawn animation era. They would do 12 frames for every second, where in computer animation we traditionally do 24 frames per every second. And you get a very different feel. Once you get used to it, it can feel what people have called slightly choppier, but we embraced that as part of our style and made it as a creative choice because it felt more pop art and graphic.
The idea that not using motion blur, sometimes if things are moving too fast, you can't watch it, it'll strobe across the screen. So we had to have a way of controlling that strobing effect. We turned back to our CMYK offsets, we turned back to our misprints, we turned back to like the comics when line work would get off register, when sometimes if you had a really bad printing, maybe the image might get distorted a bit and stretched and maybe printed across 2 frames by accident.
That decision to do that with animation actually ended up rippling through every department and how we would do everything. One example of that is simulating cloth. The fact that we didn't have every frame animated meant we had to come up with new techniques and a new pipeline to actually deal with the fact that we didn't have smooth animation.